Hello friends, hope all of you are doing great and all of you are safe. These are difficult times, but difficult times gives us opportunity to celebrate those few small achievements which we have achieved. Today is the day where we complete 2 years of our existence. It has been a fantastic journey. We have been very thankful to all of you for all the support, all the feedback, all the encouragement which you have given to us. We have been fortunate enough to know a lot of you, to be friends with a lot of you. So today we are going to celebrate with our family, our very close friends who have been really our pillar of strength. They have been there for us over these last 2 years. When things went tough, they were there, and we really want to thank them as well. So let's celebrate today. It's our 2nd anniversary and this video is all about that. Hello, hi, namaskar. Welcome to another video of Musafir, where we try to build awareness of riding gears and ride safety. So today we complete 2 years, as you know, with the title of this video. And today, we are very excited. We are thrilled. At the same time, we are very emotional about the fact that we have been able to complete 2 years. It has been a wonderful journey till now. We saw our ups and downs. There were times where we thought of quitting, but I think the whole idea of helping our community to be aware of ride safety and to help them with the right riding gears and the passion of motorcycling which we have, that really made us going during those difficult times. We don't come from any business background. We have never experienced, or we have never seen how businesses are run. We are learning as we spend every day. There are a lot of learning which we have got through these last 2 years. We have met a lot of you, and we have been able to serve a lot of you by making your ride safe. So it has been a great journey from that perspective. पर ये सब स्टार्ट हुआ 2014 में, जब मैं फर्स्ट टाइम लद्दाख गया. I saw a lot of youngsters, young guys who were riding in those mountains without any riding gear. Awareness as far as riding gears were concerned, as far as riding was concerned, was missing. तब हमने सोचा कि कुछ किया जाए. That's when this whole concept of Musafir started. It took us 2-3 years to really establish this. Yes, this didn't die down, and I think हमें लगता है कि because हमारे because of the passion of motorcycling, this didn't die, and it really continued to blossom. So finally in 2018 हमने मुसाफिर establish किया, and since then I think we have been able to really touch a lot of riders by making their rides safe. So I think over the last 2 years हमने काफ़ी चीज़ें ट्राई की, एंड हमने जो भी किया बहुत ऑनेस्टी से किया. Whether it is really telling people what they should go for, advising them what are the right stuff they should buy from their riding safety perspective. ये सब हमने काफ़ी ऑनेस्टी से किया. हमें ऐसा लगता है कहीं हमने ये नहीं सोचा that we want to sell anything and everything, but we have always thought that it's safety, and safety cannot be compromised. So that has been our motto, to be honest. There are times where we have incurred losses, we have discontinued products even after buying them. The principle which we use is most of the products which we have in the store, they are tried and tested, and wherever we think that something which we have tried and which we are not happy as riders, we would not really want to sell it to others, because at the end of the day we are riders, and if we don't like it, how would all of you would like? So that has been the principle, to be honest. It's great to share our journey with you. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you have liked the video, please hit the like button. Please do subscribe and share our video so that others can also watch it. Thank you once again. Ride safe, stay safe, always wear a helmet, and yes, as per the new normal, always wear a mask.